This is one of those comparisons where the better choice depends heavily on how you use your Mac. They're built for different users despite both being labeled cleanup tools. CleanMyMac focuses on automation and ease of use, while Onyx leans toward advanced maintenance and system tweaking. Where CleanMyMac wins. Asterisk very clean interface with guided scans and maintenance. Asterisk handles junk files, app leftovers, large files, startup items, and malware scanning in one package. Asterisk better if you want, click one button and let it work. Good fit. Asterisk new Mac users, asterisk people managing family Macs, asterisk users who don't want to touch system settings, where Onyx wins. Asterisk completely free. Asterisk gives access to maintenance scripts, hidden settings, Finder tweaks, cache rebuilding, and deep Mac OS tools. Asterisk popular among longtime Mac users because it exposes controls Apple normally hides. Community users often describe it as a front end for existing Unix/Mac OS maintenance tools. Good fit. Asterisk advanced users, asterisk people comfortable changing system settings, asterisk users who like control over automation. Important reality check. Many experienced Mac users argue modern Mac OS already handles much of its own maintenance automatically, making aggressive cleanup software less necessary than it was years ago. Reddit sentiment is pretty divided. Asterisk Onyx is often recommended as the safer free utility choice. Asterisk CleanMyMac gets both praise and criticism. Some users like its convenience, while others dislike its background services and marketing heavy style. Best overall recommendation, asterisk if you're new to Mac, rightward arrow CleanMyMac for simplicity. Asterisk if you're experienced, rightward arrow Onyx. Asterisk if you just need to remove apps and free space occasionally, rightward arrow Onyx plus a lightweight uninstaller like App Cleaner. If you tell me your Mac model and issue, slow startup, low storage, overheating, etc., I can recommend whether you even need either tool.